Do you struggle with meal prep? Is it hard to find the time to cook healthy meals during your busy week? We've all been there, right? The hustle and bustle of life often leaves us reaching for the quickest meal solution, not necessarily the healthiest. But what if it didn't have to be that way? Imagine a week where your meals are planned, prepared, and packed with nutrition. Sounds good? Well, you're in luck. Today I'll guide you through a simple and nutritious meal prep guide to make your week easier and healthier. But before we do, please take a few seconds to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out. Now back to the video. First things first, planning. It's essential to plan your meals for the week ahead. This isn't just about deciding what you're going to eat. It's about considering your nutritional needs, your preferences, and any special dietary requirements you might have. Are you a vegetarian or vegan? Do you have allergies? Are you trying to pack in more protein or cut down on carbs? All of these factors come into play when planning meals. Aim to create a balance in your meals. Include a good mix of protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and of course, plenty of fruits and vegetables. This balance not only ensures that you're getting a wide range of nutrients, but also keeps your meals interesting and tasty. And don't forget to think about variety. Eating the same thing day in and day out can get boring, so try to mix things up. Different grains, proteins, and veggies can keep your meals exciting. Remember, a well-planned meal is half the battle won. Now that you have your meal plan, it's time to hit the grocery store. A well-organized shopping list is your best friend here. It streamlines your trip and helps avoid those tempting yet unnecessary impulse buys. The backbone of our meal prep is fresh, whole foods. Let's fill our carts with lean proteins such as chicken or tofu and whole grains like quinoa or brown rice. Remember, the more colorful your shopping basket, the more nutritious your meals will be. So let's grab a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. And let's not forget about our pantry staples. Herbs and spices are the secret weapons that transform our meals from bland to grand. Healthy cooking oils like olive or avocado oil are a must as well. With these in your arsenal, you can whip up a variety of flavorful meals in no time. With your shopping done, you're all set for a healthy week ahead. Now comes the fun part, prepping your ingredients. It's like being an artist with a fresh palette, except this art not only looks good, it tastes amazing and keeps you healthy too. First off, let's tackle the fruits and vegetables. It's important to wash them thoroughly to get rid of any dirt or lingering pesticides. A quick rinse under cool water should do the trick. Now it's time to chop, dice, or slice, depending on what your recipes call for. And here's a tip. If you're short on time during the week, consider portioning out your fruits and vegetables in advance. This way, they're ready to go when you need them, saving you precious minutes on those busy mornings. Next, we move on to grains and proteins. Cooking these in large batches can be a real time saver. Think about it. You can cook a big pot of quinoa or brown rice and use it as a base for several meals throughout the week. The same goes for proteins. Whether you're a fan of chicken, tofu, beef, or fish, cooking them in bulk means you've got a ready supply for your meals. Now let's talk snacks. We all love a good snack, don't we? Pre-portioning snacks like nuts, seeds, or chopped fruits can be a lifesaver when you're on the go. Grab a handful of almonds or a mix of sunflower seeds and dried cranberries for a quick, nutritious pick-me-up during the day. One more thing, let's not forget about herbs and spices. These are the secret weapons in your kitchen arsenal. They can turn a bland dish into a flavor-packed meal. So ensure you have a good stock of your favorite herbs and spices. Remember, meal prep isn't just about cooking. It's about making your life easier and your meals healthier. It's about taking control of what you eat and knowing that you've got delicious, nutritious meals ready whenever you need them. With your ingredients all prepped, you're ready to start cooking. And that's when the real magic begins. Batch cooking is a lifesaver for those busy weekdays. It's a strategy that can save you time, energy, and keep your nutritional goals on track. So let's dive into how we can make this work for you. First, we need to choose a day dedicated to meal prep and batch cooking. This could be any day that works best for you. Some people prefer Sundays as it sets them up for success for the upcoming week. Others might prefer midweek cooking to split the workload. The key is consistency. Next, it's time to start cooking. Remember those ingredients we prepped earlier? It's their time to shine. Cook large quantities of your chosen proteins, grains, and vegetables. This might seem like a lot at once, but trust me, Your future self will thank you. This process isn't just about cooking. It's also about creating a system. As you cook your meals, start portioning them out into individual containers. This not only makes it easy to grab a meal when you're rushing out the door, but also helps you control your portions. Let's talk about storage. It's important to store these meals correctly to maintain their freshness and taste. Refrigerate the meals you plan to eat in the next couple of days and freeze the rest. This way, you're not only preserving your food, but also extending your menu options. Now I know what you're thinking. Won't I get bored of eating the same thing? Well, that's the beauty of batch cooking. You can mix and match your proteins, grains, and veggies to create a variety of meals. One day you might have grilled chicken with quinoa and veggies, the next a tofu stir-fry with brown rice. The possibilities are endless. So, you see, batch cooking isn't just about saving time, it's about creating a system that supports your lifestyle and health goals. It's about taking control of your nutrition and ultimately, your life. And voila, you now have a week's worth of meals ready to go. Isn't it amazing how a bit of planning and preparation can simplify our lives? Remember, the journey to a healthier you starts in the kitchen. So go ahead, give batch cooking a try. You might just find it's your new favorite life hack. Feeling a little creative? Let's mix and match. This is where the fun begins. The canvas of your culinary adventure is laid bare. You've prepped your proteins, grains, vegetables, and now it's time to let your imagination run wild. Think of all the possible combinations at your disposal. The grilled chicken you cooked could be paired with brown rice and roasted veggies for a hearty dinner, or tossed into a salad for a light lunch. The quinoa could be the base for a vibrant veggie stir-fry, or mixed with fresh fruits for a nutritious breakfast bowl. And those roasted vegetables? They're perfect for wraps, pasta, or as a delicious side. The key is to use versatile ingredients that can be incorporated into a multitude of meals. This way, you're not just eating the same thing over and over again. With mix and match, mealtime will never be boring. Proper storage is key to maintaining the freshness of your meals. Once your meals are prepped and cooked, it's time to store them properly. This is where airtight containers come into play. They are your best friends in meal prep, keeping your meals fresh and flavorful. The next step is labeling. Yes, it might seem like extra work, but trust me, it's worth it. Simply jot down the date and contents on each container. This way, you'll never have to play the guessing game of what's in this container or when was this cooked. Now let's talk about where to store your meals. Perishable items like meats and dairy products should always be kept in the refrigerator. Any meals that won't be eaten within a few days, go ahead and pop them into the freezer. Remember, proper storage isn't just about organization. It's about food safety and ensuring you always have fresh and safe meals to enjoy. Finally, the best part, enjoying your meals. It's time to sit back, relax, and revel in the convenience that meal prepping brings. You've planned, shopped, chopped, cooked, and stored. Now the fruits of your labor are ready for you to savor at any moment. Imagine this. It's a busy Tuesday evening, you've just returned home from a long day, and your stomach is growling. But instead of reaching for quick, unhealthy options or spending precious time cooking, you have a nutritious, delicious meal waiting for you. All that's left to do is heat it up. Having prepped meals at your disposal is not just about convenience, it's also about exploration and enjoyment. With your meals ready to go, you can spend more time experimenting with different flavors, textures, and cuisines. Try drizzling your roasted veggies with a tangy balsamic glaze, or adding a dash of spicy sriracha to your grilled chicken. The beauty of meal prepping lies in its flexibility. You can mix and match your proteins, grains, and vegetables to create a variety of meal combinations. One day, it's a Mediterranean quinoa salad. The next, it's a hearty chicken stir-fry. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Enjoy your meals and the freedom that meal prepping brings. Bask in the satisfaction of knowing you're nourishing your body with balanced, home-cooked meals, all while saving time and reducing stress. Now that's a win-win situation. If you like this video and want to see more like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out. As always, remember to keep it real, keep it fun, and keep it peachy.